Okay, so we have some eBay action going on here. Oh, here we go. This is how we gotta do it. and you knew it was gonna be a box and it's gonna have Civivi on it. Ooh, okay. So, like I said, you knew it was gonna have Civivi on it. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. Cool. Raul. I'll be liking it. Normal stuff all up in here. And the Civivi AMIRITE. Brand spunkin new. This is huge. We're gonna do some first impressions and I'm gonna do a real review on this knife because I want to make sure I do that on all the Civivis. But this baby right here is huge. It is huge. I did not expect it to be so huge. I'll do some comparison to the Praxis and some other large knives I've got, just so you can kind of get an idea. Pocket clips reversible, finger gimping on the blade, on the flipper. It's on the front side and the top side of the flipper. Button lock, of course. This is awesome. So you got multiple deployments. I mean, you can push the button, flip it out, flip it in. You got thumb studs to flip it out, and you got a back flipper. So let's just start in the back. And there she is. Look at that. Nothing but blade everywhere. Nitro V perfection. And see, have you ever, sometimes you grab a blade, you run your thumb on it like that, and it just don't feel sharp. And you would be wrong because you would be shaving with that blade that just don't feel sharp. She is shaving sharp for sure. Huge, huge finger chole. I love it. So close her back up, and of course, you got that deployment and finger flipping. Finger flipping fun. Um, nice, nice set of bearings. I mean, this is awesome. I've been waiting for this ever since I got it. I've been waiting for this to come in. And I bought it new off of eBay. This is awesome. I like this. I'm gonna have to carry this for a little while. I just have to because it is. I love that blade. Just a huge meat cleaver hanging out there. Reverse tanto. Uh, Everything is cool. I like it. So probably just run this into a short, and then we'll do a full review at some point and do comparisons. And then at some point, I'll probably get all of my Civivis together and kind of do a talk about all of them that I have and what I like and dislike about different ones. So just currently, that's all I got. This is just going to be a taste test. And we are going to work on some reviews here shortly. Uh, Work has settled down. We finally passed our review, got flying marks from all the great guys in upper management. They are pleased. So I'm kind of stoked at the moment. So I appreciate you sticking around to watch this. I hope to see you again. And I would ask that you would subscribe if you like this kind of content because there's more coming and more diverse and different types of content coming. So I thank you and I will see you again. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.